How to add yourself on Snapchat shortcut. Full Guide 2026. Did you know Snapchat has a feature that lets you send snaps to your favorite people in just one tap, without searching for them every single time? It is called Shortcuts, and in the next 2 minutes I will show you exactly how to create one, add contacts to it, and use it like a pro. Let us get into it. Welcome back, I am Daniel, and today we are covering everything you need to know about Snapchat shortcuts in 2026. Let us go. First, what exactly is a Snapchat shortcut? A shortcut is a saved group of contacts, represented by an emoji that sits right at the top of your send to screen. Instead of scrolling through your entire friends list every time you want to send a snap to the same people, you just tap your shortcut emoji and everyone in that group gets the snap instantly. It is perfect for maintaining streaks, sharing daily updates, or sending snaps to your closest friends fast. Now here is how to create your first shortcut step by step. Step 1. Open Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Tap the circular shutter button at the bottom of the camera screen to take any snap. It can be any photo or video. It does not matter what it shows because you are just creating the shortcut right now. Step 3. Tap the Send to button that appears at the bottom right corner of your screen. This opens your contacts and sending options. Step 4. At the top of the Send to screen, tap the search bar. Right below the search bar, you will see an option that says Create Shortcut. Tap on it. Step 5. Now add the friends you want to include in this shortcut. Scroll through your friends list or use the search bar to find specific people. Tap each person you want to add, and a checkmark will appear next to their name confirming they have been added. Step 6. Once you have selected all your contacts, tap the emoji icon to choose an emoji that will represent this shortcut. Pick something memorable that helps you identify which group this shortcut is for. For example, a fire emoji for your streak friends or a star emoji for your best friends. Step 7. Tap Save or Create to finish setting up your shortcut. It will now appear at the top of your send to screen every time you go to send a snap, ready to use with a single tap. Step 8. To use your shortcut going forward, simply take a snap, tap Send to, and tap your shortcut emoji at the top of the screen. Everyone in that group will receive the snap instantly without you having to select them individually. Now here is how to add more people to an existing shortcut or edit it. Take a snap and tap Send to. On the Send to screen, press and hold on the shortcut emoji you want to edit. An edit window will appear showing all your current contacts in that shortcut. Tap to add new friends or uncheck anyone you want to remove. Tap Save when you are done. To delete a shortcut completely, press and hold the shortcut emoji on the Send to screen and select Delete Shortcut from the options that appear. One important thing to know: shortcuts are completely private. None of your friends will ever be notified that they have been added to one of your shortcuts. Only you can see them. Pro tip: if you want even faster access to Snapchat, add a Snapchat widget directly to your phone's home screen. On iPhone, press and hold your home screen, tap the plus icon, search for Snapchat, and add the Friends widget. On Android, press and hold your home screen, tap Widgets, find Snapchat, and drag the widget onto your screen. This widget shows your most contacted friends as Bitmoji icons. Tap anyone to jump straight into a chat with them without even opening the full app. And that is it. Snapchat shortcuts set up, saved, and ready to use in seconds. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials every week. How many shortcuts are you planning to create? Drop it in the comments below. It has been Daniel. See you in the next one.